Ever wondered what makes your morning cup of joe so magical? It's more than just the kickstart to your day. Coffee, that rich, dark brew, holds a universal appeal. It's not just your favorite morning pick-me-up, it's the world's favorite psychoactive substance. But how did this come to be? What's the story behind the steaming cup that sits before you each morning? Today, we'll delve into the history and origin of coffee. Let's embark on a time-traveling journey to discover the roots of your favorite morning ritual. Coffee, as we know it, has a rather exotic origin. Picture this, the verdant highlands of Ethiopia, where the story of our beloved brew begins. According to popular legend, a goat herder named Kaldi made an intriguing discovery. He observed his goats prancing about energetically after consuming a particular type of cherry. Curious, Kaldi tried these cherries himself and found that they had a stimulating effect. Yes, you guessed it right, those were coffee cherries. From this serendipitous discovery in the Ethiopian wilderness, coffee began its journey across borders and cultures. It traveled first to the Arabian Peninsula, where it was zealously guarded, but eventually, the secret got out. From the bustling ports of Yemen, coffee seeds were smuggled out, reaching every corner of the globe. Today, coffee is more than just a beverage. It's a global phenomenon. So the next time you sip your coffee, remember you're partaking in a centuries-old tradition that started in the highlands of Ethiopia. From the Arabian Peninsula, coffee began its global domination. It was here that the precious beans were first traded, sparking a love affair with the world that would span centuries. The aromatic brew was not just a home comfort, but a public delight. The first public coffee houses, known as cafe began to sprout across the Near East. These cafe were not merely places to enjoy the rich, dark drink. They were vibrant social hubs, buzzing with conversation, laughter, and the strumming of instruments. They were stages for performers, platforms for debate, and even a setting for business transactions. In essence, these coffee houses were the beating heart of their communities. The historical significance of these coffee houses is immense. They were, and in many places still are, a place for the mind to meet over a cup of coffee. Coffee has been fueling conversations and ideas for centuries, from the heart of Arabia to the corners of the globe. Today, coffee stands as a universal symbol of energy, warmth, and community. It's more than just a morning pick-me-up. It's a cornerstone of our daily rituals and a testament to our shared human experience. From the artisanal coffee shops of San Francisco, to the bustling cafes of Istanbul, to the quiet tea rooms of Kyoto, coffee weaves a thread of connection around the globe. So as you reach for your next cup of coffee, remember its rich history and enjoy the magic it brings to your day.